right, we're gonna do 2 trips. There you go. We're gonna go first to the beach.
Oh, okay.
Ano pangalan yun?
Oh, salamat.
Hello, Padrilan. Tungunan official. Barangay spot map. All right. Hello. Hello. Hi. All right. We're gonna walk. Oh, they have recycling stuff here, like glass bottle, plastic wrapper. Very convenient. Very organized. Even a paper recycling. Wow, I like this place. That's the reason why it's clean here, because the whole neighborhood are actually practicing recycling and what do you call it, composting and all. So, oh wow, look at this. What type of fruit is this? There goes another zone profile. Ubos Ragat to Tungonan Seashore. That's where we're heading. Tungonan Seashore. Kuya, ito ba yung mayroon tayong lupa dito, di ba?
Ayun sabi nila.
Oh, ito. So we're heading to Tungonan Seashore because our family have a land there right by the water. So we'll come and check it out. Gold detector. Wow, more mango trees, guys. Look at that, old mangoes just fall down. Naglalaglag lang, no? Alright, I can see the water from here. Oh wow, look at this, guys.
Ang content yan.
Ano na kuryente?
Oh, nakuryente yung paniki.
Wow, look at this.
That's Batman and
Batman and Robin.
Batman and Batman.
Wow, can you guys see that? That's a bat. But then it got electrocuted.
Si Batgirl yan.
So,
Si Batman.
yeah, you guys can see. Look at the bat.
Batboy sa comics.
It's just hanging.
Batgirl lang at saka.
It's actually a dead, two dead bats. There's actually 2 dead bats hanging in the electrical wire. Looks like obviously they got electrocuted. Look at that. Wow. So that means that's a live wire. You gotta stay away from that wire. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. Looks like a giant tree fell on this rail. Oh, there's Kuya. Kuya's coming and picking us up because giving us a ride to the beach. Ayun. Alright.
Yung taas ng bag. Mukhang mas marako ako sila. Payado.
Alright, thank you, Kuya. The beach. Or the water. Where's the water? Wow, we're here. Ubus yung palasalubong ko ata. Thank you, Kuya. Wow. Woo. Wow, look at this. Oh, this one's like a rundown, empty house. Wow, look at this. This is what I remember. Yeah, this is what I remember. Ito yung naalala ko, Kuya. Yan. May mga isda dyan yung, parang, ano ba yung gumagapang na isda?
Yung maliliit.
Parang butike. Parang, meron pa yun.
Yung tambasakan.
Ayun, tampasakan. That's what I remember. We used to catch those. Wow, look at this. Very rocky. Looks like a low tide. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow. Look at this. Oh, look at this water. Look at this boat, fishing boats. And there's chicken. It's low tide right now. It's low tide and all the chickens are just right here getting some grubs, I think. Sea grubs, I guess. Alright, so this is, what is this? So I wanted to let you guys know this area actually my family owned. Wow, look at this. Rock formation. Wow. Look at this. This looks like a hammer. Wow, look at this. Look, this area here is my family owned land. Rock formation here. This is the pier. So when the water comes in, this is actually a pier that boat could actually dock. Look, I guess they use that to tide in the boat. Wow, it's very rocky. Look at that. Wow, let's check out the water. If we went through those mountains. Wow, look at this, guys. It's beautiful. Wow, so that means the water really gets high. So I could see the water line. Wow, I wonder what that... Oh, there's a lot of fish in there. There's some creatures there.
Nandun yung mainit na tubig.
Dyan?
Then, hindi ko boro to.
Alright,
Tapos
so
mayroon
there's
din
a...
dyan. Sa taas ng bato, nag-ano siya. Lumilitaw. Ay,
So there's a spring water here. Ano po, hot spring?
yes.
There's hot spring here.
Hot spring.
Hot spring. In a hot day. Good hot spring bath.
Anong island to? Ito ba yung mga inupan? Ha? Ano yung gapot?
Si Kurt. Magsiswimming tayo, Kurt.
Kabila niya. Di ba pag yung alternate port?
Oh, look at Kurt. Hi, Kurt.
Alternate.
Careful, Kurt, ha?
Mainit, malamig, Kurt. Mainit.
Wow, si Kurt.
Doon tayo nag-swimming ma'am, di ba?
Saan?
Ay, hindi. Iba pala
Ay,
yung gapot.
ano,
Tabunan.
tabunan.
Kabila.
Kabila yun.
Ito yung
Tabunan.
kabilang side.
Yan yung lupa namin, pataas. Sa inyo naman, mula dito pa ganon.
Saan po yung puro bato?
Saan yun sa inyo?
Ayan,
Alright.
yung mga nyog.
Ati
Kasi
Nets
nalagaan ng pagtanim.
land is that side.
Pala kayo eh.
Ha?
Yung private beach.
Ang dami nga yan yung mga corals. Nagbinayo, yung ginawang,
Pinayo ng bagyo?
yung mga
Dinidik.
dinit-dik.
Ginagawang graba?
Ewan ko kung anong ginagawa daw. May paggawaan dito eh. Oh. Diyan kinukuha yung mga ano.
Saan yung sinasabi mong quartz?
Ayan. Alright, we're gonna check out the hot spring. Somewhere right there. So let's go walk.
Dati ito yung buhangin nito.
So they made this pier, this port. So when it's really I think when it's a bad weather on the other port, they could actually port and dock here their fishing boats. But as you could see, those are the fishing boat, and it's low tide. So literally it dropped like 10 feet. See a rock with a rope. Looks like they use that as an anchor or tie downs. There's a bunch of chickens here. Oh, why are they running? Why are they running? Is there a predator around? There's a lot of chickens. Oh, look at this. All this rock formation. It's like a rock wall. Oops. Wow, there's a lot of chickens somewhere here.
Kasama to. Sa lupa
Ito sa atin to. Oh, okay, so all these right here is actually our land. Our ancestor land. Look, there's a lot of chickens. Wild chickens. And roosters. Oh, there's more rooster. Ayun pala atin, no? Ayan. Oh, look at this, guys. This is our ride throughout the Romblon trip. And look, it's official. We're gonna go find a hot spring. Hey. All right. That's your fishing boat, Kuya? Your fishing boat? Oh, Kuya here, he have his own fishing boat. This is heading out. Kuya's fishing boat. So look at this, guys. Yes. So this gets filled with water, but right now it's low tide. So if it's high, yeah. So if it's high tide, it gets all the way there. See, there's a line there. No? All right, let's watch our step. This is nice. Last time I went and walked this trail here is 40 years. We used to play around here. We used to catch those fish with those fish that crawl. I don't know what they call, what's the species called, but there's a lot of fish here with. Hopefully we could see one where it looks like almost like a tadpole, but it's a fish, and they could crawl on the land. Oh, there it is, right there, right there, right there. You guys see that? It's like almost like a lizard-like fish. You see? It's on the rock, right there. Oh, they're jumping around. That's the one I remember. Where did he go? Wow, so there's a little river here. I think this is the warm water. Yeah, it's very warm. There's a hot spring here somewhere. I think it's this one. look at this. All right, let's go this way. So this might be the hot spring they're talking about. Wow, this one is nice. I wonder if I could take this home. I want to take this home.
Eh, kasi itong ano, kaya nga, sabi ko, lagyan ng
Or this one too. Oh, look at this. I want to take this home.
Parang marami nandun. Kaso wala laman dito eh.
Wow. So this is the hot spring here. You could feel the heat. Oh, look at Kurt.
Nandito yung bato na.
Oh, Kurt is that a hermit crab?
Parang wala doon. Ito na yun.
Wow.
Parang ito yung ano eh.
Pero mayroon
Look at this,
doon
guys.
kaming ano, yung isang bato na.
This is the hot
Meron doon
spring.
yung parang
You could feel
sinemento
the
na
heat.
parang pool pero wala laman.
You could feel the heat. It's like a lava.
Oh, yan yung sinasabi ni Uncle Fred na ano.
Hot spring.
Pag doon nilalagnat sila, maliligo lang sila dito banda.
Oh,
So
wow.
paano pag nag-high tide, so mainit yung parte na to?
Kasahalo na sa tubig.
Oo.
Diyan din, no? Yung sapa na yan.
Oo.
Sobrang init.
Mainit. Medyo mas mainit to. Yung
Oh,
dyan
let me
eh,
feel
pero
the water.
medyo
Let's
maligam
feel
lang.
Let's feel the water. How hot it is.
Fresh water. At
Okay. Look at this. It's all calcium. Oh, I could feel the steam. I could feel the heat. The heat is on. All right, let's try not to fall.
Ayun nandoon sa
Okay. Oh shoot, it's hot. Oh,
mainit nga.
it's like hot water, like coffee hot water. Oh, man, ang init.
Paano natin to? Baka may geothermal energy dito.
Wow.
Pag hinukay siguro to. Hermit ba yan?
Ayun yung inugan nyo.
Wow, it's really hot.
Ako process na lang.
Pag ano,
Hanggang saan dyan, te?
hindi ko lang alam kung hanggang doon sa...
So that's our land right there.
Mababa dyan. Pero dyan ay medyo ano, pantay dyan sa taas na yan. Parang ano, hindi siya pag ganun, kundi medyo ano.
So
Oh,
mula
so that's our land
dyan, tapos yung paganyan na yan.
and all those coconut
Ito,
trees.
pag ganun.
Tehasan.
Pero sa kabila, na araw,
Anong year po yon?
matagal na yun, hindi ko
Anong pinarata? Anong?
Pinirata lang.
Hirata.
So may pumutang pirata talaga dito.
Oo.
galing dagat.
Galing dito. Tapos,
Well, basically, parang ninakawan sila.
Sinakawan
Oo,
sila.
ninakawan.
pero wala namang pinatay.
Wala.
Tinali
Tinali yung
lang
lalaking taga Bilad. Kaya may malapad na ano yan, binibilara ng...
Ano nangyari doon sa may-ari mismo?
So Ate was telling me as a story about how this used to be a store. It used to be populated and it got pirated.
Kasi
Lahat ng
Pirata.
Yan daw, lahat ng
una namin punta dito.
yan ang pinakamayaman
Yan kami
sa buong
bumibili ng
bansa daw.
So they're like the richest. Silang pinakamayaman dito. Tapos they're the richest family
Kailangan ng
in the
buong
Banton.
Banton.
Everyone has.
Pumupunta ng Lucena.
They have everything po, no? They have everything on the store,
Sila yung
everything.
bumibili ng lahat ng kopra
And then
sa island.
careful po ate, maraming bubog. And then it got pirated. So the pirate came
Yan sa
this
taas.
way and robbed the whole place down. They tied all the people and robbed the whole store and the family. So yep, there's pirate in here, but that was years ago. As you could see, it's already closed down and everything now. So
Ito yung sapa.
Ito yung katamtamang pinapaligo.
so this is what they used to. I guess they said if you're sick, you take a bath here and you'll feel better. Fountain of
Pero
youth,
hindi naman madumi.
maybe.
Yung mga lumot. Yan, no? Yung
So
mga
there's
nakalito
algae.
na. Pag ano, mag-ano rin yan.
Mainit rin yan, ate. Mainit rin po to.
Maligam. Kaya
So
yung
this
mga
is-
may problema sa mga ano, binababad dyan.
Wow. So if you have foot problem or joint problem, this is where you go. And it heals you. Let's see.
Sayang lang
See
na
how-
ano.
Oh yeah, it's warm.
Hindi nag-low. Hindi kasi
Warm.
nag-low tide eh. What if hindi siya ano, yung katulad nito. Baka yung tipong nare-replenish siya every day.
Malinis.
Hindi siya.
Kumbaga kung running
Running siya. Oo.
Pag tag-ulan, running yan.
Dito. Kanina marami dito. Oh, look at Kuya. Oh, he's pumping out water. Oh wow, look at that manual bilge. Look. That's a manual bilge. That's cool.
Ito? Etong ano, para nag-trip. Hindi na.
Ay, ano sa government? Nandiyan yung motor ka.
Alright, I got these. We're gonna put in the boat.
Eh, karga.
Tangro kaya ngayon.
Kaya dalawa dyan? Pag kaya ng dalawa dyan, okay na tayo.
Kaya na bibiti ng
Alright, we're gonna ride. It's a ride, and we have motorcycle here too.
Sige ha.
Okay, see you guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Whoa, look at that. So steep. Again. That's our land right there. It's pretty cool. We're just gonna walk the hill because we're gonna be too heavy for the motorcycle. So we're just gonna just meet Kuya Mark on that side. Kuya Mark is our what do you call it, tuk-tuk, or the I forgot what's called, the motorcycle that could fit 8 people. So just gonna walk the Alright, let me get out the way. There you go.
Wow, so we're to school. We're back in the school.
Saan sila?
Ayan, no? So we're back to Barangay Tungunan. Ah, sige. Alright, we're gonna get some Coke. It's a very popular drink here. Hopefully they have water bottle. That's what I need, actually.
Ay, sa may kalendaryo kanina doon sa bahay.
Ah. Ayan.
Kailan mo teng? Kahapon.
Hello po. Hello. Hello. Hello po. Musta po?
Ano ito? Oo.
Alright.
Wala, wala.
Kuya, on me, kuya.
Kaya ko na.
We'll have 2 Coke, please. And may Mountain Dew po kayo? Wala po Mountain Dew. Sige po, 5 Coke po. Ay, 6 pala, 6 na Coke. May water bottle po kayo? Meron po kayong water bottle, bottle water. Yan. Apat rin po na water bottle. Ayan.
20.
Magkano po?
210.
210.
25 po ito.
Ah, sige. Ayan po, 500. Ah, hindi na siguro. Hahawakan na lang po. Ayan po. Ayan. Keep the change po. Okay lang po. Ayan. Alright. Oh, ito. Coke. Ayan po. Keep the change po.
Ano po? Sunday? Ay, sa Friday? Ano po yun?
Presenta mo yung teta ko.
Okay na po, sir. Okay na.
Ayan.
Oh, nagsasayo daw.
Ano ko, yung
Thank you.
Opo. Ay, kuha kayo. Tulungan mo ako, ate.
yung teta ko.
Thank you po.
Ah. Sige po.
Sige po, kuya. Sige po. Alright.
Ay.
Kuya. Ayan. Nasa yung water bottle
Pero
ko.
ito si
Alright, I'm excited to drink water.
Si Mami Inday.
Wow. So good.
Yung tatay.
Jojo.
Matanda recipe lang.
Ah, ang kadulo.
Yun sila.
Mainit. Ayun, mainit. Went to the mainit area.
Oh, dyan sila.
Sa likod na simbahan.
yung sunod na to. Yung ano na may
So mainit.
Nasa likod.
Mainit na lugar. Alright, we're just getting some refreshment. Really sweaty right now. Look at this island. Look at this mountain. It's just too many coconut. So all you can eat coconut, but I still haven't eaten coconut. So we still have yet to find some coconut drinks. Can you guys see this mango tree? Look at that. Wow, abundance of mango tree.